In front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. Start by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, like that. Then you need to locate Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it turned black. That means that auto rotation is now disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut until it's blue. If you have a bit more time though, you can also go into settings, scroll a tiny bit to hit the display, and then scroll again, this time to click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!